Is Ethereum an NFT? Ethereum is the second most popular entity after Bitcoin and is quite famous too. Ethereum is also the most used coin in every industry. So here today in this lesson, we'll learn about Ethereum. Is it an NFT or not? If yes, how does it work? And if not, what is it? But before moving forward, let me welcome you all to my channel, Crypto Wisdom, where we will be doing educational videos on cryptocurrency for everyone so that you can understand them easily. And after watching the video, if you like our channel, please subscribe and share it with others. So the basic answer to this question is similar to the previous one, and that is no too. Obviously, it's not an NFT. All the major NFTs are based on Ethereum. I know that can be pretty confusing, so first let's learn what Ethereum is before moving on to how NFTs are based on Ethereum. What can we say? We can say that Ethereum is the most popular and well-known open-source software platform, as Ethereum allows smart contracts and distributed applications, dapps, to be written and operated without the need for downtime, fraud, control, or third-party intervention. Ethereum includes a blockchain programming language which allows developers to build and run distributed applications. Ethereum has a wide range of potential uses due to its native cryptographic token, Ether. Ether is mostly used for two things. It's sold on exchanges like other cryptocurrencies as digital money, and it's used to operate apps on the Ethereum network. All people across the globe use ETH or Ether to make payments as a store of wealth or as collateral, not Ethereum. Now that you have an idea of what Ethereum is, let's learn how NFTs are based on Ethereum. In simple words, at a very high level, most NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain, like the very famous CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and etc. As mentioned earlier, even Ethereum is a cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, but its blockchain also supports these NFTs, which store extra information that makes them work differently from an ETH coin. But on the other hand, there are a lot of issues with the Ethereum blockchain for the NFTs, as there is a very long process which we will cover in the next videos. But for now, let's further talk about the creators, as Ethereum has a lengthy list of creators. Still according to the documents, Vitalik Buterin, a programmer and co-founder of Bitcoin magazine, founded Ethereum to allow developers to create decentralized programs. Ethereum was first launched in January 2014 during the North American Bitcoin Conference in Miami. Furthermore, let's delve into how Vitalik came to invest in Ethereum. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of cryptocurrency, said, "I believe the people of the Bitcoin community were not looking at the problem properly. I felt that they were pursuing specific applications and that they were trying to explicitly support each case through the Swiss knife system." Ethereum was established in 2015 after initially fundraising with 72 million tokens produced. These first coins were sent to those who contributed to the project's funding and still make up roughly 65% of the coins in circulation as of April 2020. We can say that Ethereum is still young and shares the mistakes of Bitcoin, especially in terms of failures. In 2016, an anonymous thief stole $50 million from Ether, raising concerns about the speaker's security. As a result, the Ethereum community was divided into two blockchains, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. The price of Ether has changed dramatically, but Ethereum's revenue rose by more than 13,000% in 2017. Although it's still a new platform, its power and use are almost endless. Ethereum's infrastructure has improved in recent years due to security issues. Because it is less powerful than Bitcoin, it's very open to conversion methods that could eventually make it a top option. So basically, people believe in Ethereum for its ability to make smart contracts, which is why it has grown in popularity until it almost surpassed Bitcoin in June 2017. Although the internet has connected the world, Ethereum shows new and improved global standards for business communication with individuals. Now that you know Ethereum is not an NFT but rather a cryptocurrency, we can say that both NFTs and cryptocurrencies are based on blockchain and use similar innovations and standards. So we hope that all of this information was useful to you, since we did our best to explain what NFT means. Now in the end, thanks for watching the Crypto Wisdom. If you enjoyed the video or learned something from it, don't forget to press the like button, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.